Wake up. Hi guys, gals, and non-binary pals. What's happening, I guess, in your life? It is midday on a Friday, and I'm still in my pajamas, and I haven't left the house, and I haven't had breakfast, but I have had 3 coffees. So we're gonna do a makeup tutorial, yay! I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial, but I'm not gonna watch the video. I'm just gonna listen to the audio because, I'm pretty bad at makeup, so I feel like this is just gonna really heighten my makeup skills. So I'm just gonna put my headphones in and then start. I have all my makeup here somewhere, and hopefully I have all the products. If not, then if I can work out how to download the video, then you will see the makeup tutorial. If not, then I'll just link. Oh, it's Jeffree Star. I know his voice.
Primer. Now this has do a little bit on our damp. Drag this all around and coat my entire face.
My blend is not damp. I've already sat down. It's too late now.
Here, and then we're gonna.
Alright, so he's using 2 foundations. I'm gonna use 2 foundations.
You guys.
I'm still doing foundation. Fuck.
Made it fair, so we're just gonna take a little bit and bam.
So he's using brushes, but I'm really poor, so I just gonna use the same beauty blender. Alright, cream contour. I have a contour stick. See, the thing is that Jeffree Star is... My face does not resemble Jeffree Star. Nothing about my body resembles Jeffree Star. Except maybe the tattoos and sadness. It's fine, we can fix it. It's just a bronzed look. Instead of dieting, I just contour it away. Just contouring away my ancestry. It's fine.
Brush feels like I don't even know how to describe it. It's like the softest brush I have ever felt on my face before.
See, here's the difference between Jeffree Stars and me. Is he's like, oh, my brush is so soft, and just I love it. My brush is literally stabbing me in the face, and it hurts. This is a contour brush from Sephora, and it's actually painful to put on my face. But here we are. I'm broke, so... He's gonna draw on brows off camera. Well, you know what? I'm gonna do it on camera. I have brow pomade. So I have a brush, and the spool part broke. It's still fine. It's still okay. It's fine.
Now I'm gonna be priming my lid.
I only have one, and it's from Tarte, and it's I've left the lid off too many times, so it's a little dry.
My entire lids with this. I'm gonna be dipping into Unwind. This is like a matte taupe color.
So
I'm
matte
just gonna tuck this into my crease and kind of make.
Is this a matte taupe? Is I don't know my colors. I'm gonna say this is a taupe, maybe. Well, there's still color left on this brush from another time I did my makeup, so. And then a halo around the eye. He said bronze or gold, and yeah, let's just put it on the lid, I guess. Alright, I don't have metal in a jar. I do have glitter.
Press this into the tiny bit on my lid. Oh wow, yes. This is extreme. How to even put more on top of this? I know you guys are like, what? More? You better slow it down.
Let's put more glitter on it.
Now, sometimes I'll take metallic and I'll put it under my entire eyes and then I'll do mascara, and it just makes it look like...
I have loose shimmer.
See how bright that is gonna be. Oh wow, that's really pretty. I'm just going with the flow.
Alright, so he's putting white on the waterline. I have a white Kat Von D's. I think it's brow pomade, but it's like white. So let's put that on my waterline.
This is gonna really make the eye look really poppin' and like, just see what happens here. I am gonna put on false lashes, so I really don't mind what happens, but as long as it coats these
I also have lashes. The lashes I have are from a $1 store. There's some lash glue. Ah! Oh my god. Okay. It'll dry. It's fine.
I just popped on some lashes. These are by Velour Lashes, and this is their new Invisiband, and these are called...
Okay, so we're skipping lashes.
We're just gonna add just a little glow to these cheeks. Now I love this blush because it has a little like kind of iridescence in it as well, and I'm just like, ooh, give me a little color. Alright, so I'm just gonna do a little, I'm so sorry. My cheeks are like, what in the, this is porn to me. I'm like,
I don't have any lipsticks, but I do have, well, I found the bronze, but it's spilled everywhere. Let's use it for a lipstick.
oh wow. Ooh, that is extreme metallic, and I like it. I think I need to go back to the drugstore and get every color. I'm like, wait a minute here. Let's use a little Makeup Forever Mist and Fix. Okay. This is the final look. Oh my god, like, I swear to god,
I don't hate it, but I hate it. It's hideous. But, oh bitch, I'm feeling myself.